Hi, meet Andrew Suprajitno, Sales and Marketing Director, Raffles Education Network at Singapore. Andrew, could you highlight to us about Raffles design as to when Raffles was established and all other details like that?
Yes, sure. Hi, everyone. Okay, Raffles, basically, we are one of the biggest design and business school in Asia and Europe. We established in 1990, and currently we have about 19 colleges and university across Asia, and we also have one campus in Italy.
What are the programs that Raffles offers?
We offer a diploma, bachelor, master degree, mostly in design courses such as fashion design, graphic design, interior design, and many other design courses basically. And because we have so many schools, students can do what we call an inter-school transfer. For example, the first 2 years in Singapore and then the third year in Italy.
And what are the advantages that students will gain from Raffles?
Okay, at Raffles, basically we teach everything from the very basic, yeah, all the academic studies. But on top of this, at Raffles, our students have a lot of opportunities to take part in international competition, which I can update you later on if and when any of your students would be interested. So we send students to places like Germany, Japan, and many other countries. So these are the advantages basically.
And do your programs have any internships in them?
Depending on the countries, most of the countries we offer internship. Internship is a requirement. Without internship, students will not be able to graduate. But specifically for Singapore, because of the visa requirement, instead of internship, we have project collaboration where the student is engaged to do a real project with a real company.
Okay. And why do students choose Raffles? What makes Raffles Design a better choice than any other design institution?
Okay. In Singapore, we are not the only design school. There are many other design schools and they all have a UK university partners. Raffles also have a UK university partners with a Coventry University. Okay. Coventry is ranked top 15 in the whole of UK for all the design courses. So in comparison to any other school here in Singapore, our ranking is the highest. Yeah. And then when the students study at Raffles, okay, the teachers are here full time. By the time they graduate, the degree is from Coventry in UK and is recognized internationally.
Okay. And what are the intakes that are available for students?
We have 4 intakes because 90%, 90 of ours, 90%, yeah, are international students. We have January, April, July, and October. So depending where the students coming from, students from India mostly finish middle of the year. So they would register at our school either July or October.
Okay. And do tell students something about the Can-Am and Raffles relationship. We've been together for a long time.
Yes, in fact, I think we have been working together since 2009. And Can-Am has helped many students to study at Raffles campuses in Singapore and also in Malaysia. And recently, Can-Am has also have done some consultation for students to study at our campuses in Italy and Thailand, because Thailand apparently is one of the interested destination for Indian students as well.
And do tell them something about the live webinar that's coming up.
Oh yes. We have live webinar, which is on the 14th of October. So if you, any of you want to find out more about the courses, admission requirement, okay, any scholarship, any discount, so please join Can-Am webinar with Raffles on the 14th October at 11:30 a.m.
And watch out for the space. Thank you all so much, and thank
All right,
you.
thank you.